There's a difference between spinal adjustments and people cracking their back. People can turn themselves and get a crack out of their back or their neck or whatever. That's not the same thing as a spinal adjustment, spinal manipulation. We're moving a bone in a certain direction to correct that positioning of that bone. When they're just twisting and getting a pop and everything, we have a lot of fluid and air bubbles in our body, and you can get pops and cracks out of stuff, but it's not the same as when a chiropractor manipulates their spine to move their bone in a certain direction to correct the position of that bone. They're more or less doing a stretch. And it may feel better for a while. They probably feel like they have to keep doing it because they never really correct the problem. They're just stretching that area and it feels good.